Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So I just wanted to walk around the lot real quick. So no matter if you got an old Jayco that needs some work, we got Monacos that still come in, voltages, obviously you see all the reflections. There's a Solitude in the back, and there's also a Cougar, a lot of outdoors RVs, some Airstreams, more Cougars, reflections, Jayco Eagles, some Fleetwoods. The nice is the lot's a little empty for the moment. Today's Tuesday, and I think we have about 20 more units coming in between now and the end of the week before this Labor Day weekend. Old Holiday Ramblers, Allegro buses, there's a Momentum full body paint, there's another Momentum full body paint, there's a Reflection, there's a Coachman, I think that's a Merid, can't pronounce that right, Fleetwood Expedition, hey also. And so, this is just a look at different things that are on the lot. Brookshire, Cedar Creek from Forest River, some other units. So anyways, stay tuned for more. We just wanted to give you a quick look around, let you see different stuff that's on the lot that we're working on. Have a good day.